Are you ready to build your dream home in the Philippines? Today, we dive into the ins and outs of construction methods across the islands. First, it's essential to understand the variations in building practices. While many companies follow the Philippine building code, some do not. This means it's crucial to choose a skilled contractor. When designing your house, consider environmental challenges. A good architect will address natural hazards to ensure safety. Did you know that your first structure will likely be a bahay kubo? These bamboo huts are perfect temporary offices during construction. Ensure they're treated to prevent pest damage. Next, let's talk about materials. The market is flooded with cheap Chinese building supplies. Unlike stricter countries, the Philippines lacks stringent quality checks. So always verify the quality of materials before purchasing. Cheap options may save you money now, but could lead to costly repairs later. Concrete plays a significant role in Filipino construction. Familiarize yourself with its use. Unfortunately, many projects skip the crucial step of hiring a surveyor. This can lead to inadequate foundations, especially in earthquake-prone areas. An experienced architect will ensure ground tests are completed. Check that your reinforcing steel is the correct size and quality. A simple test: lift a bar and slam it down on others. If it snaps, it's subpar. Proper concrete coverage is also vital. Look around, and you'll see many structures with exposed, rusty rebar. Stick to established standards for durability. Let's move on to concrete mixing. In the Philippines, this can be a slow process, often involving just one concrete mixer. Mixing in batches can cause inconsistent drying, leading to weaknesses. The solution? Pay extra to have concrete poured all at once for foundations, pillars, and slabs. Now let's build a wall. Construction typically involves concrete blocks, which can vary in quality. Rebar is placed inside the blocks and filled with concrete. Ensure your plumbing and electrical routes are organized during this phase to avoid significant issues later on. Once the walls are up, expect electricians and HVAC technicians to carve into your newly finished walls. This can be wasteful and risky, especially if they accidentally damage buried pipes. Fortunately, new building technologies are emerging. Light block, for example, is heat-insulated, soundproof, and easy to assemble. Insulated concrete forms, or ICF, is another innovative solution. Both methods will save you time and money while enhancing the strength and efficiency of your home. In summary, building a house in the Philippines involves careful planning and consideration of materials and methods. Ensuring quality and modern techniques can make a significant difference. Are you ready to start your construction journey? Let us know how we can help you build your dream home.